me move this mic, cause for the past few days I've been listening to my videos and stuff, and I feel like y'all be hearing me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want y'all to hear these vocals, this voice. I actually, you know what I need to do? I need to push this back. Oh Lord, I'm starting now. Jesus, there we go. What is going on? Welcome to episode of Damage TV. This is Damage from Israel back in the video. Today we are unboxing today's package. Today we are looking at some booty shaping patches from Top Hatter. Very cool site. I'm gonna tell you a little more about that in a different video. This is Eelho booty shaping patch. It comes in 4 pieces. It gives you a bigger, bouncier butt, and it's easier. I'm not gonna take any of these out, because I want to preserve them for. But yeah, I don't want to try like things, you know, to get my butt back, you know, cause it's time to lose weight, y'all. It's time to lose weight. It's just time. And I've been telling myself, you know, gotta make sacrifices, you know, and all that stuff like that. So the fact that I got these today is really great. So let me tell you a little bit about these. These cost me about almost up to $8. The shipping was pretty fast. There's no doubt about that. There's no ingredients on here, and I was kind of shocked about that. I think I'm gonna pull up the Top Hatter website to let them know that I got the package, of course. Because they said it was a bit delayed, and as soon as I was like, oh, it's delayed? Okay, I'll wait on it. You know what I mean? So let's look at. No, I didn't get it. Okay. Yeah. So this. I'm sorry, this didn't cost me that. I was looking at the hair removal. This cost me $2.12. Sorry about that. $2.12. And they are butt lift shaped in patch moisturizing gentle plant extract buttock lifting patches. And they came in 4 pieces. And it visibly enlarges, uplifted, and gives you a bouncier butt in 15 to 30 minutes. Eliminates sagging. It has an orange peel skin and flatness caused by aging and unhealthy lifestyle. And then, you know, it's pretty much supposed to lift your butt. It just came with the pack. It didn't really give me any instructions, but if I were to look this same like thing online, it'll probably give me instructions. But other than that, I'm looking forward to using these. Okay. So from the looks of it, there's no instructions. Oh, it says clean and thoroughly dry your. Okay, so you have to clean your butt thoroughly clean the booty cheeks, and then you peel off that liner and apply the patch directly onto the cheeks. And you let that patch stay for 15 to 30 minutes. And then you remove it, and then you gently massage it until it's fully absorbed. So that's not bad. I'm not a huge fan of, come with no instructions, but as long as I follow those instructions, they'll be fine. Ooh. I think that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Click that notification bell where you notify of all of my videos. I don't know there's a link. Sorry. There's a link to my playlist with all my reviews on it. You will see reviews on stuff like this. stuff like this. This is most recent. And stuff like this. So go ahead and check me out. If you have not subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna try to keep the reviews coming, and I'm gonna talk a little bit more about the website where I got this package and item, and as well as this package. But I will see you all next time. Bye.